In this video, I'll be talking about how to qualify for the Wells Fargo Reflect credit card. It is super easy to apply for and relatively easy to get actually. So the first thing you need to do is go into your favorite browser and then go into creditcards.wellsfargo.com. Then from here you'll need to find the Reflect card right here, and as you can see there's a 0% annual fee on this specific credit card. But to actually qualify and get it approved for this credit card, you need to have at least a 670 credit score or higher. You'll also need to be at least 18 of age, which is pretty self-explanatory, and a steady income. You'll need to send in your income to Wells Fargo before you can actually get approved for the Wells Fargo Reflect credit card. You'll also need to have a physical address in the US or a PO box. And you'll also need to write this in the application that I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing you need to do is go down to the apply section down here. Then a new page will pop up, which is the application page. And here you can see let's get started with application. And you can click this to pre-fill your application if you have a user inside of Wells Fargo. If you don't, you'll just need to follow these simple steps. Of course, you need to enter about information about you, which is first name, middle name, last name, and the suffix if you have that. You'll need to write in your SSN or ITIN number and of course your date of birth. Down here you'll need to enter your contact information so Wells Fargo can contact you whether or not there's updates on the Wells Fargo credit card or when they're going to send you the Reflect credit card to your address. You'll also need to enter your mobile phone number and email address so they can register you for an account inside of Wells Fargo. You'll also need to enter a social security information like your mother's maiden name, and here you'll need to enter your financial information, and here you'll need to enter your housing status, either if you own your home, you rent your home, or other. You'll need to enter your employment status, which either is employed, self-employed, not employed, or retired, and you'll need to enter your total annual income. If you also have non-taxable income right here, you'll need to pop this up and enter your non-taxable income in here. From here you'll need to enter your card options, where you can select how many authorized users that needs to have access to your specific Reflect credit card. And you can write this down by clicking here and enter the first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth of the specific person, maybe your spouse, maybe a roommate, to get access to your credit card. Down here you can also see the terms and conditions, and of course you need to read that, the certifications, and down here you need to click I have read and agreed the certification. From here you'll need to submit the application, and then you'll get an answer from Wells Fargo whether or not you have been qualified and approved for the Reflect credit card. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!